Kung may papakita kami sa iyong paraan kung paano ka kikita ng 180,000 ng paulit-ulit, makikinig ka ba? Kung mapapakita namin sa iyo kung ano ang ginagawa ng team namin para ma-achieve ang income goal na yun sa loob lang ng 1 to 2 months, magiging interesado ka ba? Sobrang nakaka-excite dahil meron ng opportunity na wala nang magiging dahilan para hindi ka kumita. Hindi mo na kailangan matutunan gumawa ng website, blog, Facebook ads at iba't ibang traffic techniques para magka-resulta. Bonus na lang yon kung marunong ka. Sa sobrang simple niya, napakadami ng Pilipino ang sumasali at nagkakaroon ng mabilis na resulta na matagal na nilang inaasam kahit super busy pa sila. Napakadali dahil 100% online lang at pwede kahit saan ka mang parte ng mundo. Dito mo mararamdaman ang totoong essence ng teamwork at hindi mo na rin kailangan maging sponsoring master. Team Extreme Big Time would like to introduce you Emirates Gold Exchange or mGoldex. mGoldex specializes in the buying and selling of investment gold bars of different value. The company not only sells investment gold bars, but also provides a guarantee of buyback of gold from its customers with the most profitable prices. Ito ang parent company ng mGoldex, ang Gold and Silver Physical Metals na located sa Germany. Bale, ang mga customers nito ay big investors and wholesalers ng gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. Pwede nyong i-check ang kanilang website sa goldsilvermetals.com. In 2010, Gold and Silver Physical Metals KG registered mGoldex or Emirates Gold Exchange in the territory of UAE in Dubai, the city of gold. mGoldex is an online shopping portal trading smaller quantities, 1 gram to 100 grams, of the world-famous manufacturer of Emirates Gold DMCC. Dubai Multi-Commodities Center or DMCC is the state zone of the Arab Emirates, established by the government of Dubai and possessing the exclusive right to issue the licenses to trade in commodities. The mGoldex Trade DMCC company is registered and obtains the license in the Free Economic Zone Dubai Multi-Commodities Center for trade in gold and precious metals all over the world. The company operates with the maximum profit for its customers. Ito naman ang trading license, certificate of incorporation, and certificate of registration ng mGoldex. At ito naman ang head of mGoldex and Gold and Silver Physical Metals na si Michael Rees. At iba pang head ng mGoldex Trade DMCC. So where is mGoldex? Ang administrative office ng mGoldex at Gold and Silver Physical Metals ay located sa Deutschland, Germany. So makikita mo dyan yung photo ng kanilang building. At ang legal office naman ng mGoldex ay located sa Indigo Tower sa Dubai, UAE. So ito ay photos ng isa sa mga kababayan natin na nag-visit sa Indigo Tower sa office ng mGoldex Trade DMCC. At ang project natin dito sa Team Extreme Big Time ay ang Project Come Home OFW. Dahil sa opportunity na to, sobrang marami tayong mapapauwing mga OFW dahil sa kanyang rewards program na malalaman mo maya-maya. So ang product ng mGoldex ay 24 karat 999.9 pure gold at pwede mong ma-visit ang website secure.mgoldex.com/gs para makita mo ang mga products na ino-offer ni mGoldex. At ito pa ay some of the photos ng products ng mga mGoldex ranging from 1 gram to 100 grams 999.9 fine gold. So why gold? Gold investment is great because gold has strong ROI or return on investment. Gold counters inflation. Gold bars are very secure. The gold market is booming and demand for gold continues to grow. So who wants gold? Ang clients at market natin dito ay people wanting growth on their money, people who collect gold, people wanting security for their money, and people who want gold through the mGoldex marketing program. As of 2014, mGoldex has more than 500,000 clients all over the world. So ito ay some of the photos from the clients of mGoldex from Greece, conference from Munich, Germany, from Italy. So yan, hawak-hawak nila yung gold bars and suit-suit nila ang gold watch na reward galing sa mGoldex. Cyprus, Spain, and Poland. So malamang ngayon ay ang tanong mo, how to earn or paano kumita dito sa mGoldex. So make sure to finish the video to know how you can be part of our fast-growing team para makita mo ang performance at results ng ating mga ka-team dito sa Team Extreme Big Time. Gusto lang namin linawin sa iyo na ang mGoldex is not an investment scheme. Ang mGoldex ay isang online selling and trading of gold. At ang mGoldex ay may ginawang marketing program na may rewards-based system. And almost 200 countries are participating on this kind of marketing program. Sa Japan pa lang, marami tayong kababayan doon ang talagang umasenso ang buhay because of the marketing program of mGoldex. Lilinawin po namin na dito sa marketing program na ginawa ni mGoldex ay wala pong pilitan ng pagsali. We are just sharing to you this wonderful opportunity. Sa sobrang simple ng sistema, kahit bata kayang-kaya itong gawin. Kung hindi mo pipiliin na bumili ng worth 15 grams of gold directly kay mGoldex at mas pinili mo ang option 2, ito ay ang marketing program na in-offer ni mGoldex. Si mGoldex ang bibili ng gold para sa iyo worth 15 grams or 540 euro. That is 36,500 SRP dito sa Pilipinas. At ito ang prepayment mo para sa 15 grams of gold bar. Ito ay tutumbasan ni mGoldex ng worth 100 grams of gold as a reward the moment na magawa mo ang kanilang hinihinging requirements. Ano yun? That is the 1 plus 2. Ito yung maghahanap ka ng dalawang tao na tulad mo na interesado rin maging client ni mGoldex na magbabayad din ng halagang 36,500 or 540 euro. And to explain further, dito mapupunta ang order mo sa table of orders. At ang table of orders ay consisting of 4 levels at ang kailangan lang gawin dito ay mapuno ang 8 slots dito sa level 1. So paano mangyayari yan? Halimbawa si 1 ay nirefer ni Ana at si 2 nirefer ni A, si 3 ay nirefer ni 2 kahit bago pa lang si 2 pwede na kaagad siyang mag-refer ng customer para makatulong siyang mapuno ang 8 slots na yan. At halimbawa, you are referred by B. Si 5 ay referred by Jose, si 6 ay referred by Joey, at si 7 referred by C, and si 8 naman ay referred by Joey. So kung mapapansin mo, talagang teamwork para mapuno ang level 1. So ang maganda dito ay tulungan yung level 2, 3, and 4 para mapuno ang level 1. At anong mangyayari pag napuno yan? Magsisplit ang table. Si Jose naman ay exit at pupunta sa second table. So anong mangyayari ngayon kay Ana at Joey? Sila naman ngayon ang mapupunta sa level 4. And magkakaroon na rin sila ng 8 slots sa kanilang level 1. So tulungan ulit sila na mapuno yung 8 slots na yon at sila naman ngayon ang exit at makakakuha ng exit reward 180,000 pesos worth ng gold. So what will happen to the one who exits the main table of orders? Diba kanina si Jose umexit? Jose will proceed to the second table which is auto-filled through dynamic compression. Susunod lang siya kung sino yung sponsor niya, yung mga naunang umexit sa table. At ganun din yung mangyayari. Auto-filled yan, wala na tayong control dyan. Kundi dun lamang sa first table na magre-refer ka ng dalawang client mo. And Jose will also receive first table exit reward na may 14-day countdown which is equivalent to 3,500 credit bonuses. 3,500 minus 245, 7% processing fee, that is 3,255 credit bonuses. With 3,255 credit bonuses, you will be bought the investment gold which is your personal material physical property. 3 to 55 credit bonuses is usually 180,000 or bigger. So things to remember, 540 euros is equal to 36,500. That is SRP for Philippines and entry fee for your table order in the GoldX program. That is good for 2 table exits per entry and 3,500 per table exit reward times 2 is equal to 7,000 credit bonuses per entry. So 180,000 pesos times 2, that is equal to 360,000 pesos in total rewards. Grabe! So ang maganda pa dito sa mGoldX ay meron siyang 14 days money back guarantee from the day na napunta ka sa table of orders. So safe na safe talaga tayo dito. Pwede mo siyang i-visit yung terms and conditions niyan sa secure.mgoldex.com/mx/terms.php. So ang tanong mo ngayon, how do I receive my rewards? Always remember this mGoldX always pays you in gold. So the amount of money is fixed at 3 to 55 na nasabi ko kanina. The grams of gold depend on the daily price of gold at the London Gold Fixing, and your gold can be physically delivered by courier. So ito, isa sa mga kababayan natin na kumuha ng gold niya through courier. And nasa ibang bansa siya ngayon. At your gold can be stored in Germany bullion. So sa Germany, ito yung storage office natin. And also, you can sell the gold back instantly to the company in your back office and transfer the money to your bank or OK debit card. So makikita mo dito sa screenshot from the back office of one of our members ang iba-ibang weight ng gold na reward niya na ang total ay 97.1 dahil yun yung nabili ng worth 3 to 52 euros niya. At ang mga gold na to ay pwedeng ibenta pabalik sa mGoldX at ang nakuha niya ay worth 3,017 euro. Okay? So you can also use the money for coupons for new clients. So ito ay isang halimbawa ng coupon order from mGoldX na worth 540 euros, that is equal to 36,500 each. Malamang nasa isip mo ngayon ay ang laki ng 36,500, hindi ko kaya. Ito maganda, may good news kami sa'yo. Meron tayong types of account, ang solo account at ang corpo account. Dito sa Team Extreme Big Time ay we only allow maximum of 5 shares. 5 shares lang para hindi magulo at quality ang members natin sa team. And according to this table, ang maximum ay 5, di ba? So 36,500, yun yung solo account. At kung hindi mo kaya yung 36,500, ay pwede kang makikorpo or may mga kasama ka dun sa solo account na yon para mag-share-share kayo. Halimbawa, kumuha ka ng 2 shares, 14,600 yon at ang reward mo bawat table exit ay 72,000 pesos times 2. So here are some of the photos from the conference in Brazil last 2013. Ito rin sa Peru. Lithuania. Pati sa Russia, meron din. Grabe, no? Ito naman sa Portugal. Japan. And syempre, papatalo ba ang mga Pilipino? Meet the Philippines, and here are the results of Team Extreme International and Team Extreme Big Time. Ito si Miss Laura Del Comiso, isa sa co-founders ng Team Extreme Big Time na umexit within 15 days from the day of encodement. Edgar Suarez, OFW from Canada, umexit ng 22 days. Ang kapatid nating si Flor Palillo, OFW from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, umexit siya in 28 days. Ito naman, nagtandem si Bro Prince and Joseph at grabe, 13 days exit kaagad. Ito naman, batang-batang si Jenjen, 21 years old from South Korea, umexit siya in 24 days. At isa sa leaders natin sa South Korea, si Ann Garcia na umexit in 25 days. Joey Suarez umexit ng 28 days. Ito naman si Marisa Treya ng Batangas, umexit lang sila within 26 days. Grabe, no? At ang 3 kings natin, si Thoby, Oreo, and Rodel na umexit in 26 days. Ito naman si Ryan Apaco in 23 days. At marami pang iba. Gusto rin naming maranasan mong nararanasan ng mga members namin sa team. And once na nag-decide ka, kasama mo kami para maka-exit ka kagad at makuha mo ang resulta na deserve ng effort at prayers mo. If If you have any more questions and clarifications and inquiries, don't forget to get back to the Team Extreme Big Time member who introduced you to this wonderful opportunity. Make sure na Team Extreme Big Time yung member na babalikan mo para makuha mo rin yung mga bonuses na in-offer ng aming team. So once again, this is Team Extreme Big Time saying if you want something you've never had, you've gotta do something you've never done. Take action now, my dear friend, and join our team today.